Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're building a web app and stuck between Softr and Bubble, this video is for you. I'm breaking down both platforms, fast, clear, and no fluff, so you know exactly which one fits your project in 2025. Let's start with the ease of use. Softr is way more beginner friendly. You can build pages by dragging blocks and connect them to Airtable or Google Sheets. No learning curve, no stress. Bubble, on the other hand, is more powerful, but that power comes with complexity. You'll need to learn its workflows and logic system, which can take days or even weeks to master. If you want to build a custom SaaS app in a marketplace or anything dynamic with user roles, payment flows, and real-time updates, Bubble is the winner. It's like coding without code, but if you project a directory, internal tool, and client portal, or simple website with login, Softr is perfect and 10 times faster to launch. It's focused on speed and simplicity, not endless customization. You can launch a full app with Softr in a few hours. It's also cheaper to get started. Bubble is slower to build and can get expensive depending on how complex your logic is and how many users you scale it to. But again, you're paying for flexibility. So here's the bottom line. Softr is perfect for fast, clean apps powered by Airtable or Sheets. Think MVPs, portals, and internal tools. Bubble is ideal if you need full control, custom logic, and you're okay with a learning curve. Pick based on your project scope, not just hype. Like and subscribe if this video helped you.